Sinasabi nila na baka mas maging exciting daw yung liga pag mas unpredictable
Sige.
yung liga.
Tatanong kita. Mag-enjoy ka ba sa NBA kung ang Washington Wizards ang lumalaban sa finals? Parity.
Yeah.
I think that's something that narinig ng mga fans sa NBA because that was something that Adam Silver would say.
Yeah.
Ganyan. Okay, during the time of David Stern, was there parity?
Lakers, puro Lakers.
There was no parity. It was Chicago. Tapos nung nawala si Jordan, you had your 2 years of
Spurs.
Houston.
Houston pala, sorry.
Tapos 3 years na naman ni
Bulls.
So the Bulls won 8 out of. There were only 2 teams that were champions in 8 years, and people actually say the people that want parity are the people that maybe are cheering for another team. Remember, there's 10 other teams that are not winning.
Yeah.
And those are the teams that are screaming, I want parity. Diba? I'm not saying that there should only be one good team. I'm just saying that parity is a concept that is, it's difficult to attain because can you imagine, you're asking for parity. Ang galing ni Junmar eh. If you have, ang galing ni Michael Jordan eh. Nagkataon na merong isang tao na super galing, they're always gonna win. Are you asking them not to play well? The same thing with the PBA in the 70s all the way to the mid-80s, di ba?
Yeah.
Dalawang team lang naman nagcha-champion eh, tapos sisingit yung iba. There was no parity. Even in other leagues, in volleyball, di ba? Ganon din, di ba? They would have teams that would win continuously, but people want to be around the winner.
Yeah.
Di ba? As long as the winner is the most popular team. Diba? That's so parity. Yeah, that's good, but how do you create parity when you have one best player, diba? Other coaches and players will have to find a way to go up to that level. Kami rin gusto nga namin ng parity, hindi rin kami maka-champion eh. Pero wala kami magawa, diba? Dahil may mas magaling sa amin. You look at Talk and Text. Bakit ba sila naging dominante? Nakakuha sila ng import na magaling. It wasn't about parity or anything. You find the right guy. You take a risk. Remember, si RHJ, di ba, nasa Boracay na lang, nagbabakasyon, kinuha nila. You get lucky and then you get good for a good 5 years or so. Diba?
So, are you saying na okay lang, yung mga fans kasi sinasabi nila na baka mas maging exciting daw yung liga pag mas unpredictable yung liga.
Tatanong kita. Mag-enjoy ka ba sa NBA kung ang Washington Wizards ang lumalaban sa finals?
Hindi, Spurs.
Hindi, but I understand the concept.
Diba? Sa NBA kasi the last 7 years, iba-iba yung champion. Or last few years, hindi mo alam sino mag-champion. So, if you apply it to here, do you think mas magiging exciting ba tayo? Or mas exciting na yung ngayon na 4 teams ang nagdo-dominate? Sino ba yung 4 teams na nagdo-dominate? Kasama kayo dun.
Oh, paano kami naging kasama? Hindi nga kami hindi nga kami nakakaabot ng, we haven't won a championship in quite a while. But it would be interesting. I think right now, when you look at the PBA, this especially this conference, sabihin mo sa akin ng magpa-Final Four, you'll probably only get 1 or 2. Because that's the parity that they're talking about. Diba? You'll say that usually malakas si San Miguel, Ginebra, Magnolia, Talk and Text, Meralco, tapos ngayon Rain or Shine, tapos Converge, who else? Remember, Northport made it to the semifinals as So it's I don't know. I haven't checked the viewership and the gate attendance for that. So that's how you check if parity is one thing. Would you have rather that would have been Magnolia versus Ginebra for that semifinal, or Northport versus versus Ginebra? So it's a concept. I don't think it's a concept. Personally, I don't think it's a concept that is kailangan mong ipilit.
Okay.
It will happen eh. It will happen. Who would have thought that Converge would be this strong in 3 years? Di ba? Mangyayari yan. We will go back to the start of this podcast that what we talked about is making decisions that you think will work for your team. Then you aangat ka. Di ba?